Welcome to N22 News, your trusted source for global updates and breaking headlines. You're watching N22 News, where every minute counts and every headline matters.
We start in Sydney's west, where a terrifying incident has left a community on edge. Gunshots were fired into a home in Merrylands late last night, while a teenage boy was inside. Fortunately, he was not injured. According to police, multiple rounds struck the property, damaging windows and walls. Detectives are now working to determine whether this was a targeted attack or a random act of violence. Neighbours say they were shocked by the sound of gunfire in what is usually a quiet street. One local resident described hearing several loud bangs before police rushed to the scene. Authorities are appealing for witnesses or anyone with CCTV footage to come forward as the investigation continues. This incident adds to growing concerns about firearm-related violence in suburban Sydney, with police promising an increased presence in the area. Meanwhile, across the country, tensions remain high as more protests are planned following a wave of major demonstrations yesterday. Large crowds gathered in major cities, including Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane, holding placards, chanting slogans, and calling for action on issues ranging from economic pressures to social justice. Organisers say the demonstrations are far from over. They've announced another round of rallies in the coming days, insisting their voices must be heard by both state and federal governments. Authorities are preparing for further disruptions, particularly in transport hubs and city centres. Police have urged protesters to remain peaceful and lawful, while also warning against any violence or vandalism. Businesses in some districts temporarily closed their